Want to start earning online but don't know where to begin? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience needed. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's dive in. First up is web development. Every business needs a website, and if you can build one, you're in demand. As a web developer, you'll create functional and visually appealing websites for clients. Start by learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, or use platforms like WordPress for beginners. Many clients pay $500 to $5,000 per website, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on creating user-friendly designs and optimizing for mobile. You can find work on platforms like TopTal or by networking with local businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative career. Next is affiliate marketing. If you enjoy promoting products and earning commissions, this skill is perfect for you. As an affiliate marketer, you'll promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Start by joining affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Many affiliate marketers earn $100 to $5,000 per month, depending on their niche and marketing efforts. To stand out, focus on creating valuable content and building an audience. You can promote products through blogs, social media, or YouTube. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a passive income stream. Third is branding and identity design. Every business needs a strong brand to stand out, and if you're creative and detail-oriented, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. Many clients pay $500 to $5,000 per project, depending on the scope. To get started, build a portfolio with sample projects and showcase your work on platforms like Behance or Dribbble. With consistent effort, this skill can open doors to high-paying opportunities. Fourth is market research. Businesses need insights into their target audience, and that's where you come in. As a market researcher, you'll gather and analyze data to help companies make informed decisions. Start by learning tools like Google Surveys or SurveyMonkey. Many clients pay $20 to $50 per hour for market research services. To stand out, focus on delivering actionable insights and clear reports. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to small businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative niche. Finally, let's talk about motion graphics. From YouTube intros to social media ads, motion graphics are in high demand. If you enjoy creating eye-catching visuals, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe After Effects or Blender. Many clients pay $100 to $500 per project, depending on the complexity. To get started, showcase your work on platforms like Behance or Dribbble. You can also reach out to content creators and marketing agencies. With practice, this skill can open doors to exciting opportunities in the creative industry. And there you have it, 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose web development, affiliate marketing, branding and identity design, market research, or motion graphics, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.